there we go, guys. We're actually receiving our free coins and our unlimited spins. Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and free spins for my coin master absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how I actually got it online, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. And for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's search down below for Coin Master. There we go. Click there, guys. And then we will have to enter our user ID or our username. So guys, if you don't know how to find your user ID or your username, just click here how to find it. It's pretty simple. Just go to settings, you will find your username, or click down below to copy your user ID. So let me enter mine. It's mine username DTWN99. So click continue and it will start searching for our user account. So guys, user found, you should get this message. So there we go, our account is connected, and now we will have to select our coins and spins amount. I will select this maximum. It's currently all full amount. So we will get redirected to this third step, guys, and API will start connecting. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So I will record it more. Yeah, and there we go, guys, API connected. Nice. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and guys, it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our coin master spins and coins. So guys, it's one-time verification, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like. You can download games, you can download apps, you can complete simple questionnaires. So what will I do now? I will download this Domino Dreams game and TikTok. So guys, how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers. And one more important step is to follow their instructions. I mean, for each task you complete, you will have to follow their instructions. So for Domino Dreams, I will install, open and complete chapter 5, and for TikTok I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list. As I said, Domino Dreams and TikTok I have downloaded and followed their instructions, and I got this message, guys: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So it should redirect us every single second. So let's wait together. I won't skip this video, and there we go, guys. There we go. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins and spins are on the way, guys. Our user ID connected, our coins and our spins are sent. So let's open our coin master and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, let's go here and let's wait this loading screen. So guys, I will click on this and let's see, are we actually, there we go, guys. We're actually receiving our free coins and our unlimited spins, guys. It works amazing, as you can see. Nice. So yeah, guys, there we go. It actually worked. So appsnake.com is legit website where you can obtain all these coins and spins. So guys, I hope you found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.